Welcome to a new video on the Agrifoto YouTube channel, in which we show you how tulips are topped using this impressive outfit consisting of a John Deere 6130R Trax JVS triple bed topper. Each year, hundreds of thousands of tourists come to the Netherlands to see the famous tulip fields. However, these tulips are not grown for just a pretty picture. They are an important crop, and the focus of the growers is on the bulb production. It is important that the flowers are removed so the plant can put all its energy in the bulb, which will be harvested in the summer. This outfit is owned by specialist bulb growing company Visser Flowerbulbs. The John Deere tractor is fitted with Canadian-built Soucy tracks, which allow it to travel in almost any condition and without causing too much compaction. The topper consists of 3 independently working units that each top a 1.80 meter wide bed on which the tulips are grown. The height adjustment is done automatically using sensors, and the flowers are dropped on either side of the bed. A sort of cone lifts the flower heads, and a revolving drum with cutter blades, much like an old-fashioned lawnmower, is used to cut the top from the stem. We hope you have enjoyed this short video of the John Deere 6130R Trax topping tulips. Do you want to see more tulip videos? Please let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.